Everything you should remember while you are camping. One of the best ways to spend your vacation time is by camping out in the woods with Mother Nature. Make sure you are properly prepared with the helpful tips in the following video and that you learn all you can about spending time in a forest before you set out. When packing for your camping trip, do not forget chairs and a radio. One of the best parts of camping is sitting around the campfire. You could sit on an old log, but why bother when you can pack chairs and be comfortable? The radio is for entertainment sitting around the fire. An even better idea is to bring your guitar for a sing-along. A good multi-purpose tool needs to be part of your camping gear. There are two kinds to bring. First is the saw/hammer/axe 3-in-1 tool to use for firewood and other chores. The other is the standard multi-purpose tool with a variety of tools on it like a can opener, tweezers, scissors, and a knife. Pre-cool your ice chest by filling it with loads of ice, at least 6 hours prior to departure. When you are about to leave, pack up your refrigerated cooled drinks and block ice, not cubed. Popping room temp beverages will take up valuable ice life, and the cubes will melt much quicker than a block. If you have a toddler, pack a blanket. You can lay it out on the ground and use it as a makeshift play area. Bring cars, dolls, or whatever items your child is into. They can play without getting too dirty, and you can instruct them that they need to keep their toys on the blanket for safekeeping. This will help to keep things from getting too spread out. Navigation is the key when it comes to camping. It is important to know where you are, and how to get back to civilization if you become lost. Always bring a map of the area, and a compass to help you. You can also use an outdoor GPS that will give you navigation information, as well as additional information such as altitude. Camping is a fantastic way to learn, relax and enjoy. It can, however, lead to many mishaps if you are not well prepared. Keep the useful advice from this video in mind as you get ready, to ensure your camping trip is as enjoyable and fun as possible and without unexpected incidents. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.